Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to create a beautiful sunset scene. Sunsets are a perfect subject for beginners because they allow you to play with color, blending and simple shapes. Whether you are new to drawing or just looking for relax, this tutorial is for you. So I am taking a reference that I clicked from my mobile phone, and today we are going to paint it in a small canvas. Please watch the video till the end because I am going to describe the color also. For this sunset I am taking Ultramarine Blue, Cobalt Blue, Burnt Umber, Cadmium Yellow, Scarlet Lake, Crimson Lake and little bit of orange and white. And color description is also mentioned in my description. It's very easy and simple. With a large brush of size 12, I'm just randomly painting the background of this canvas with Cobalt Blue and Ultramarine Blue, because after applying the background color, then only we are going to give the shape of clouds and also the melting sun. Here I'm so sorry guys, because I forgot to switch on the camera to show you the blending part of orange color. Don't worry, this is just a random background. We will slowly step by step draw the clouds. So if you want to add clouds, now is the time. So here use a slightly darker shade of the sky color, that is you can use ultramarine blue, and then paint some fluffy cloud shapes. So I'm taking a dry brush. Your brush shouldn't have water and color also. Then we can blend the colors with dry brushing technique. And in sunsets, the most beautiful part is the melting sun. And for this melting sun, I am taking cadmium yellow color. And please watch carefully how I am painting the sun. This is just sun rays because this is sunset. We are not going to give round shape in the sun. We will just watch the brush strokes, how we are giving the sun rays which appear to be in a sunsets. And to make it more vibrant, you can add more of orange and scarlet lake in your painting. So sunsets are the proof that how beautiful nature can be. Whenever I go for outing at the time of sunset, it is my habit to take my phone and do videos, do photos of beautiful sunsets. This is my second tutorial on sunset. I did one more tutorial, you can check on my videos. And you can comment how it is. And do not forget to blend the colors properly because we are going to paint a tower which will give an extra beauty in this painting. So I am done with the background. Now we will paint the objects in front like tower, post, and for this tower I am taking a small round brush and a flat brush also, and for this dark colors or this dark tone to get, I am using burnt umber and little bit of ultramarine blue. I am not directly using black color because I don't normally use black color in my painting. A nylon flat brush can also be helpful here, so I'm using a nylon flat brush only, and one by one I am adding the objects whatever is there in my reference photo. You also can imagine your objects, then you can put here, but to look it more realistic we have to add reflections of the sun, and you can carefully see in my video at last. Well, where I will be giving detailings. There you can see how I am going to give reflection of sun, because then only this painting will look realistic, or otherwise it will look flat. A small round brush helps while giving detailing. I'm just using nylon brush only here. This kind of brushes you can easily get in your market. You can use this kind of brushes in watercolor also, in acrylic also. Just we have to clean the brushes properly after using colors so that it lasts long, and also so that it maintains its consistency. So now see how I am going to give reflections in the objects in front, because I have already told adding reflections only will give a realistic view to the painting. So for reflection, as it is a sunset, I am taking orange color. This tone of this color is similar to the color in the background, like some pink or whitish or some orangey color in the color that I'm putting to show the reflections. So this is only the detailing you have to give in the last. We have to be very careful and be patient while painting something, and our mind also be very calm while painting it, because whatever thoughts going inside your mind, it going to reflect in the painting. So comment me, how do you feel while painting something? Because for me, painting is like a therapy. Whenever I paint something, I feel very joy, I feel very happy. It brings so much of peace in my mind. So comment me how's my painting. You can practice with me also, and you can also suggest what should be my next topic. For this, you can like and subscribe to my channel so that you can stay updated with my latest tutorials. So thank you so much for watching. We will again all meet with a new tutorial. Till then, bye bye, stay happy, stay tuned. Thank you so much.